Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also vlog vacations and I vlog and review restaurants all over the world. Just a quick disclaimer here. I have a giveaway going on. I'll link that down below. And I also have an announcement for a future giveaway that is also linked down below. And next month is my birthday month, so I don't know how frequently I'll be able to upload. I will have the same amount of boxes, just I don't know in what kind of order or schedule I'm going to be able to get them up. Today I have for you Modabox, and it is a clothing subscription box. As far as like a styling fee or whatever, it's a little more on the expensive side, but it is styled in New York City. And they have tiers. They say it's not a styling fee, but whatever. It's basically the same thing as your normal subscription clothing box. You pay a certain amount, and they call it a deposit. You pay a certain amount. They have 3 different tiers. You pay a certain amount, and the money is either applied to your purchase or it's returned to you. So they have 3 tiers. And the select box, you pay a $175 deposit and you get 2 fully styled outfits. You get a 5-day try-on period, and if you happen to get the whole box, then you get 10% off of the entire box. I signed up for the the Premier box, and that is 4 fully styled outfits, 7-day try-on period, and 15% off if I buy everything in this box. And that is a $200 deposit, styling fee, whatever you want to call it. And then the last one is the Luxe or Luxie box. And you get 6+ fully styled outfits, a 7-day try-on period, and 20% off the entire box if you buy everything in the box. So I used to do Modabox a while ago. It's been a while since I got one. I actually canceled when they started implementing these deposit fees. I thought they were a little crazy, and I had been a pretty dedicated subscriber. I had been a pretty steady client of theirs for, I don't know, maybe it was a year and a half, and at that point there was like 0 styling fee. And but every time I would get a box, I would always at least buy 1 piece. And when they started implementing this, and they just didn't implement it towards their new clients, but implemented it to everybody across the board, it kind of irritated me. And so I quit, I quit subscribing to them. But I decided to go ahead and give them another try. So here we are with Modabox. Let's see what they have got for us. So it has a little sticker right here on the top, and it says shipped from New York City with style, and it has a little heart. And you open up the box. The world is your runway. It all starts here. And it has this pretty little wrapping paper. And it says, "Hello, Monica, specially styled for you." Oh yeah, and they do have stylists that you speak to, that you communicate with to kind of tell them what you want. My stylist's name is Patrizia, and she is actually the stylist that I had had previously, so we do kind of have a working relationship with one another. She remembered me, so that was kind of cool. And so it says, "Thank you, your request made my day, and I hope these outfits brighten yours." Aw, she wrote a little note. And it says, "Life's too short to wear boring clothes. Dear Monica, thank you for allowing me to style you again. I hope these looks are," I think it's supposed to say, "are a lovely addition to your wardrobe. Your stylist, Patrizia." And that's what that looks like. So on the back it tells you how it works. And it says, "Discover and reveal. Try on all your personally curated looks. Mix and match styles and pair with staples from your existing wardrobe. Love it. Keep it. Decide on the items you love and want to keep. Go ahead, add them to your closet. So then we have 2 invoices. So I'm assuming one is for me and one is to send back with the stuff that I keep, well, just that I don't keep. And that's what that looks like. This tells you how much everything costs. It tells you everything that's in here. And then at the bottom, it says that if I keep the whole box with my percentage off and with my deposit fee, which was $200, then I would owe an additional almost $500. That's not going to happen. We will dig into this box and see what I actually like. And it's all really packaged nicely. So, you know, you really can't see anything. Here is the return bag. I just stuck my finger in that. Okay, so it looks like you have the bag here, but it looks like, and this is new, I don't ever recall this happening, but it says you need to email us here to then get a return shipping label so you can mail the stuff back that you're not keeping. This outfit came with a handwritten note from my stylist. So this outfit that she put together consists of velvet heart studded denim shorts in a size 28 for $68. It also consists of a lace front top. The brand is Perception in a medium, and it's white for $48, and a Jessica Simpson Essentials denim jacket in a medium for $69.50. I do think this outfit is cute. The jacket is a little too small for me. As you can see, it's kind of too tight in the arms. I think the shirt is cute. It is kind of see-through, but I'm really digging these shorts. I like the beaded and studded detail on the front. I like the slit on the side. The only thing I'm not too sure about is the way it looks on my butt. I'm hoping maybe the longer I wear them, my butt won't look so flat in them. But I don't know. I'm actually kind of digging them. They're kind of growing on me. So the shirt has really cute lace detail down the front, and it has the cold shoulder aspect to it. I typically don't go for shirts like this. I just like off-the-shoulder shirts, but because of the style of it, I actually do kind of like it. So the shirt and the shorts right now are maybe for me. The jacket is a no. And this outfit also comes with a contemp hat. I'm assuming that means contemporary hat. The brand is Moda, and it is black and white for $38. That's definitely going to be a no for me because, well, because of the way my hair is cut. People will come up to me and ask me weird questions. So that's a no. So here we have the Calvin Klein gingham dress in a size 6 for $134. And there's no give in the material. It's a cute dress. I think the style is flattering, but I would have to size up to probably a size 8 because there's no give in the material. It was too tight in my upper arms, and it was too tight across my breasts, and the button that sits like right below my breastbone was just way too tight. So this jacket was paired with the dress. I'm not going to wear it with the dress. I'm sending the dress back. But I think that this jacket is cute. I might pair it with something else. So I think the jacket is a definite maybe. Something to think about. So here we have the Aiden Modabox sequence and beaded dress. Originally $365, and it's on sale for $199. It's in the color crimson, and it is a size 6. Now, I really do like this dress. It's right up my alley. I love the beading. I love the sequence. Like, this is just the sort of thing that I would wear going to Vegas or Paris or wherever, but The only thing is I don't like the way it fits where the armholes are. I don't care for the way it fits in that area, and it's also just kind of scratchy in that area. So I think I'm gonna have to pass on this dress. But the purse that was paired with it is, and I will probably pronounce this wrong, De Margot crystal handbag in champagne for $48. This is absolutely going in the maybe pile. I love this purse. It's right up my alley. I just enjoy blingy things a lot. So there is that. So the fourth outfit that my stylist put together was a lace front strappy dress. The brand is Magic in a medium for $68. As you can tell, it's also white. And she paired it with a Juicy Couture tweedy handbag in blue for $48. I think the dress is cute. It's too tight across my breasts, and I have that issue with a lot of clothing. It smushes my breasts down just way too much. You know, that might change if I wore a different bra, but I don't think I have any strapless bras that would match this dress that aren't padded, so I'm just going to say no to the dress. I think this handbag is cute. It's just not 100% my style, so I think that will probably go back. I don't know. I'll stick it in the maybe pile and think about it. It is kind of cute. Okay, so I've decided that I'm going to keep the Velvet Heart studded denim shorts for $68. I'm going to keep, and I'll put a picture up in the corner to remind you, I'm keeping the Perception lace front top for $48, and I am keeping both of the clutches. So that, with my $200 deposit, that's going to average out, depending on if there's tax or whatever, it's going to average out to me owing them roughly $16. So that is Modabox. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.